Okay guys, 2002 F-150. I wanted to show you how to change this sensor. Now this is a 4.2 and I believe the 5.4 is the same way. So I'm gonna put the sensor, this bad boy, oil pressure switch, in the link in the description below. If you wanna see how much that is, go ahead and click that. So this is real simple. We're gonna show you how to test it and we're gonna show you how to install it real quick. I've already done it, so I'm just gonna point it out. It's so simple, easy to do. So what you wanna do is where this plugs in, there's only one wire. And at this point, you have no oil pressure and you're worried. Is it my oil pump? Do I not have any oil in it? Is it my sensor? So if you want to know if it's your sensor, you're going to unplug this wire and simply ground it. Just plug in a piece of wire to the pigtail. Let me show you underneath here. Helps if you have two people here for this. So here's your oil filter. We just changed the oil on this thing too. And let me get a light up in there so you can see better. There's your oil filter, and right there is your oil pressure switch. You're just gonna unplug this switch, and there's only one wire. Ground it to the back of the motor mount, the frame, anything. Just get a piece of wire, touch it on that, and touch it anywhere on ground. Have somebody turn the key on. If the gauge then comes all the way up, you know that the gauge is working right. So you're not getting this to ground out, so the sensor is probably bad. So then at that point, you're gonna get a 13/16 socket, and get a deep one like that. The one for the large spark plug works the best. They do make a socket for this, but if you have one that has, for the large spark plug socket, it works the best. So unplug it here, unscrew it, screw in your next one, plug it in, and that's it, you're done. This one's good to go. So I hope this video helps you out. Do me a favor, please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.